So did it work for her?
Okay, yes, it did work for her.
Cool.
Hey, we're showing you another quick video here. My friend Linda here, she wanted to show me what she had in these bags. Okay, go for it. She's been simmering these things overnight, I understand. 2
nights now.
Oh, 2 nights in a row?
Yeah. But
doing a little bit of marinating, have you?
Yeah.
Because I think this has to do with that barbecue grill over there.
Yeah.
I thought you wanted your gloves on.
I can't do it with the gloves. When I get down to the gruesome part.
Okay, don't step. Hey, don't step on that stuff because you don't want to bring that in on the carpet. If I think I know what it is here.
With my new shoes.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a double bagger.
Oh, it's a double baggie.
Should I just rip this?
However
you don't want to breathe it.
Okay.
You want to stay away from it.
Okay. Well, can you tell me why? Tell the viewers why.
Why you don't want to breathe it?
Yeah, well, there's ammonia in there. She put ammonia in this bag, and she's got her grill components in here. She found this out on YouTube, of all places, and it made me laugh. You know why it made me laugh? Because I did something like this with my mother.
See, but the key component is your bags have to be sealed so the vapors of the ammonia stay within the bag to eat away at all the grime.
Yes.
I punctured my plastic bags because I have too many things in here.
Okay, well that's okay, but you see there, it's loosened all that stuff up.
It's
Now you
loosened
take, now you can take your scouring
gloves.
pad or something on there, and that stuff is gonna go and remove without hardly any work at all.
This was so grimy.
Okay, I still see residue there, but
Yeah.
you'll have to get your scouring pad out.
No, I think I'm going to just rebag it.
Are you?
And do it again. Try it and keep a good seal and let it do the work.
Okay, because I think okay.
I don't want to scour all this.
You don't want to scour. Well, that's the thought. You scour that afterwards. I sort of thought she had enough bagged on there, but you know, hey, she wants to do what she wants to do.
Look how much cleaner. It was so bad. So it did do a good amount of work.
Okay.
Let's try this bag.
Okay.
And see.
Sure. Because this one looks pretty contained.
Yeah, I think I did bust the seal. Let's see.
And the funny thing was, as I was saying, she found this on YouTube, and I made one with my mother. She didn't even know. You didn't know I did, huh?
I had no idea.
It's something about an easy way to clean your stovetop burners.
I did not.
And she did something kind of like this for her stovetop. And I've got, guess how many views I got on it for about a year, or a little bit more than a year. 120,000 views.
No kidding.
Yeah, and it worked. My mother really enjoys doing it this way.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, okay.
Look how this was filthy.
Yeah.
This was black.
Okay, there you go. See that?
You don't want to breathe this fumes.
Okay.
It's
She's
deadly.
saying that container was black just like the one before, and the ammonia liquid is not what does it. It's the fumes
That's right.
of the liquid. That's why you got to have it bagged, and she did good by double bagging it.
So yeah, look at this. It's just wiping off.
Yeah. Now see,
All
that's
this
good. That was
crap.
pretty tricky of you. This is for her stovetop.
Yes.
Not for her barbecue grill. Ooh, that does smell.
I'll just put this in the dishwasher, and it'll come off nice and
You could
clean.
rinse, even if you had a scouring sponge, let's say, you can, see, look how easy that is. There's no way. My mother was cleaning for hours, she said, trying to get it off, and she still couldn't get it off. She tried all kinds of cleaners, so this is the way to do it. And I quite like your thought here. If you have a barbecue, you do the grills, and you do these other stovetop grill covers as well.
Look at my grill.
In the same go. Wow.
It's so clean.
Wow, okay, yeah, pull it out.
It's so much better.
I didn't see it to begin with.
It's just wiping clean.
Wow.
That is so cool.
Let me get close. Okay, keep doing it.
That is so cool.
Look at that. You're going to clean that off, and you're going to be the talk of the neighborhood.
Yeah.
And hey, you know what else I found out on YouTube? It's such a great place to go. I wasn't even looking for it. 10 different things you can use kitty litter for. You know what one of the things was? You put it in the bottom of your grill. Down in the bottom of your barbecue.
Yeah.
Okay, all the way around, and you put your coals on top of it and everything. And when you get grease,
Toss it out.
no, when you get grease down in there from your meat and stuff,
Yes.
your kitty litter absorbs it, and you don't get a grease fire. Isn't that cool?
Great.
I thought I'd share that with you because I know you got some kitty litter around here because you do have a cat. And if you don't have a cat, you can still buy your kitty litter and do all kinds of things. Punch in 10 things to do, 10 good things to do with kitty litter, and I'm sure you'll find the video that I found.
And probably another good reason for kitty litter is to pour this ammonia in it and then dump it out.
You could. It would absorb that. And you know what? You know what one of the other hacks was? If you have a little bit of house paint left, let's say you're never going to use that paint again, they put kitty litter in it, and then it dries, then you can throw it away in the regular trash. How about that?
Yes.
Okay.
So I gotta get my kitty to go to work.
See, even the stuff on the ground, if you want to put kitty litter on there, grease bits in your garage, put kitty litter on there. That ammonia, if you don't want to throw that into a dumpster.
Check it out, how this is coming through.
Okay, let's see.
Nice.
See, I don't think you really need to do it again. I think you can clean that.
Yeah.
Okay. She's made a believer out of herself. This one doesn't. This one looks like it might take you a little bit more time and effort.
Yeah.
You know, but I think it's going to come out.
There's no cooking on this, so I really don't need to clean it all that great. It doesn't have to be all shiny and spotless.
Yeah.
So, yeah, this is really terrific.
So is this the first time you've cleaned your grill? Your grill covers and
the
stuff?
other thing I put is my veggie rack in here, and this looks really brand newish.
Right. All right.
So that was a mess too, so
that's very nice.
I'm jazzed.
Look at that.
I'm jazzed.
Okay.
So, got more to do, but
yeah. Okay. Well,
that did all the heavy lifting for me.
I wasn't planning on making this video, but I'm glad I brought the camera with me.
Anytime you're around me, you got to bring that video. I always got projects.
Okay, I'll remember that.
Good stuff.
Hey, that's all the time I got.
You gotta go.
But I'll be back with more videos.
Wonder if we have time.
Hey, you know, keep working.
What?
You're doing
I'm
good.
done.
Oh, you're done. Okay.